is so pretty today. Oh my goodness, look at this. It is so pretty. Look the sky. It is so pretty, guys. Super nice. In the sky is super blue. See, this is surrounded in our property. Super nice. The trees is blooming. The grass is growing, turning green. Oh my goodness. See, guys. But a lot of things to mow. A lot of mow. Needs to be mowed. Yeah, so hard. Needs to mow a lot. Have all kinds of flowers over there. Lot of flowers. It's growing. See, everyone. Oh my. Things right here is super nice. See, we can play a basketball or soccer ball. Right here, guys. Look, my Japanese maple tree over there. It's so red and so pretty. Right there. That's my Japanese maple tree. That's my Japanese maple tree. It's super pretty, everyone. It's red. And there. Super nice. Super nice.